Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the free AI yearbook trend photo tutorial to transform your photos into stunning 90s yearbook portraits. Artguru AI is an online platform and mobile app that uses artificial intelligence to generate personalized avatars, portraits, and face swaps in various artistic styles. You can upload your own photo or choose from a gallery, celebrities, historical figures, or random people. We have covered an article about how to create an AI 90s yearbook trending photo using Artguru AI face swap. Link is provided in the description. Please don't forget to check it out. Okay, now let's dive into the free AI yearbook photo tutorial. First, we have to open the Artguru face swap website. You can get the official link from our article, or you can type Artguru face swap on your browser. This will take you to the face swap app where you can upload your images. And here you can also choose from the app's gallery of preset photos, such as celebrities, anime characters, historical figures, and 90s yearbook photos. Or upload your own images to swap faces with. Okay, let's start with Artguru's preset 90s yearbook photos. Pick the photo you like, upload the image with the face you want to swap by clicking the Add Face option. Click Generate and wait for the AI to process the face swap. Preview the resulting face swapped image. It's amazing, right? But if you want to swap faces with TikTok trending 90s yearbook photos, click the plus icon on the right side, then click on Add Face, and upload the image with the face you want to keep. Click the Generate button and wait until the AI completes its image generation process. Wow, it looks so real. If you like the result, save, download it. You can also share it on social media like TikTok. Congratulations, you have just created a free AI yearbook trend photo with Artguru face swap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had fun with your new look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.